Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own sweet way. Come along and join.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okay, it is December time. Okay, we have a prompt list, all pretty. Calendar, prompt list, we set to go. Okay, the December the 3rd, it's layered tag and retro film strip. Now, this is what I collected to work with on this. And we have a retro film strip, and then I have this vintage card, and it's so cute. Look at them. And then I have this map, big tag shape. Then I just have some collage papers. Okay. Now, what I want to do is just make a layer tag where we can just kind of, slide our thing in and have it floating around in our book. So we also have another lady that is doing this along with us, and I wanted to add something of hers in my journal. So let's take, Miss Deb is all about the shabby chic. So I want to take this, which is absolutely gorgeous, hers, put a big tag in it like this, put our cab card above it there, then put this strip along here, like this, and that gives us our layered tag effect, like that. But, I don't like white, even though she's done that up, okay? I just don't like it. So, what I want to do is take this wonderful dictionary, and it is, I think, German to English dictionary, and I want to take it and use some of it to cover up the white spots with. And then I also have some of this leisure paper that's kind of green and goes with this, and our colors here in our book, and I want to kind of just take it. I cannot stand the straight edges. So we're going to just pull that like this, do it like that, with that part there. I want this to go over the page. So we'll put this part down. So I want to glue this part down. And when you glue this part down, you want to make sure, wait a minute, line that does that. Okay, I hope that's a little better. I'm going to put this down, but you do not want to glue and put glue in your edge here because it won't fold right. So then I take this up to the edge, and I want to even it out because the envelope is larger than our tag. And then turn this over and glue that down. Then I want to take my ink, because this is kind of shabby vintage. So I want to take my ink those pages up, and then I want to take this glue. Up off my thing and use it. Okay. Waste not, won't not. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to take this piece put here to cover that up. And it still be on the tag. And the part that shows there won't interfere with the bend. Oh, y'all can't see. Let me move that up. It won't interfere with the bend, but yet it still covers that up. Then I want to take my book page. And this is some vintage magazine. So we're going to, dictionary. So we're going to put it there. And here, and I like to keep these because we can stamp on those. And then, let's see how far we're going to go. Here, like that. And then, make it like that. Now I am okay with the straight edge there because it's going to be up here with the tag, because we're going to put it just like so. I'm going to move that over just a tad, like that. And then I have this little piece. I'm going to put it like that. And it covers up my real pretty one with that. It's just going to go behind it. I don't want to cover up my real pretty. There we go. Alright. And then I'm going to put that down there. So that has our collage background all done. I'm going to put this here, and it's all scruffy. That's okay, because if you remember, Kathleen Myers showed us how to do that, so it will be okay. Because that's all aged and natural, so we're just going to ink up around it, and that wipes off. Look. Take that piece off. Okay. We're going to glue this baby down because the sides are real fragile. So I'm going to get my trusty out, Mr. Trusty, and I'm going to glue this down. Then I'm going to cover the glue all on this edge here because that's where it's real fragile. It was down in that book and pulled up. I'm going to leave all that yumminess like that. And then put all that down. Put that down on there. And I'm going to take my film strip. And I want this piece here. I want it to go up the edge there. But I want it to stay down. So I'm going to do this along the edge here. And here, all the way up it on the edge, and then right across the top here. Right, and then I'm going to put this down here, right there, and all the way up to there. And the edge. And just slide it down like so. Let it show. And this is all shabby chic for Miss Debbie. Right, and then I just want to cut this right here. And this one up here. Right there. And you open up and you've got that journaling spot in that. And then this piece here I want to cut like that. So it should kind of be CAD shape. And then that piece like that. Re-ink where we cut. We got Miss Deb's here, and we got this here. And you know, I don't know, will that fit and cover up in there? Nope, that's too big. That's still gonna fit out here. Let's see. But I gotta get something in here. Let's see. Let's see what Bonnie put in here that we might could use. Oh. I found something. Look at that. That goes with that green and this green here. Yep. Look at that. There we go. And that covers the whole window up and goes through there. And we have this side here with this one that we can take in and out on the tag. And then we have the bow and stuff here that's all pretty. And that is a huge layer tag. Not quite, but it's okay. I like it. So we have our tag all layered up, and it is attached to our envelope here. Makes the back that comes up, and both are cut here on the tab. Now, you know, I would like to put some lace right here or something to kind of go with this down here. Y'all. Alright. Now, let's try this again. Alright. And you know, I should put a eyelet in it, but you know what? I ain't. Not tonight. It ain't happening tonight. Nope. Ugh. Squish it together. And then it got the glue on both sides. And then that hole goes there, and that hole goes there. And we squish it like a tab. And then I'm gonna have to put this back here so I can see y'all, because y'all know I can't see. I'm about as blind as a bat during the daylight. Alright, let me see. Alright. think I just knocked something off. I'm not struggling with it. It'd be okay. Right? It'd be alright. Alright, and then that'd be okay. Just a little frou-frou right there is all I want. Just a little frou-frou. Okay. Oh, that was the scrap bucket. Okay. So, there's that, and that side, and then it's that side with that up there. That looks good. I don't like the fact that this is sticking up, so we're just gonna put it right on the applique there. And stick that bad boy down. Get it going up the side here. There we go. And there we have it. That's it. Our somewhat back 40 layer tag with multi-functions. And then I'm going to set it right in here. Right there. Then it sticks out the top. And it sticks out the bottom. And it makes it all look so pretty. And the side here sticks out. Which is fine because this thing is going to be all over the place. Alright, that is it. So that is our December the 3rd layered tag and retro film strip. Okay. Thank y'all. I'll see you on the next go round. Bye.